Welcome back to my Victoria Diaries. In this video, we are going on an exciting whale watching adventure. We booked a tour with Prince of Wales, one of the top whale watching operators in Victoria. This area is known for being one of the best spots in the world to see orcas, humpback whales, and other marine life. The tour takes you out into the waters around Vancouver Island, where you will have a great chance of spotting these magnificent creatures. The guides on the boat are really knowledgeable and share interesting facts about the whales and the marine environment. The tour lasts about 3 hours, so there is plenty of time to enjoy. It can get chilly out on the water, so here's a tip: bring a jacket to stay warm. As we cruise along, keep an eye out for not just whales, but also sea lions, seals, and seabirds. The views of the coastline from the water are stunning, making this tour even more memorable.
Everybody to take note of their 3 points of contact.
Thank you for joining me on this whale watching adventure. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next episode of my Victoria Diaries.